We're here at...
Wait. Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on. Walk 25.
25-second countdown on this one.
21. 20.
But does it have... Does this one have the correct,
Wait. Traveling west.
Yep, this one does. This one says west. The one at Moore Road, it just said traveling south on each one, on all of them. But this one doesn't just say wait continuously. We'll go over to that one in a bit.
Wait.
What if I don't want to wait?
Wait.
It'll activate itself.
Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on.
Does this one beep?
27, 26, wait, 25, 24, wait, 23, 22, wait, 21.
Nope, it doesn't. It did. This one.
Wait, 11. Traveling east.
East.
8. 7.
Let's try this one.
Wait. Traveling north.
Traveling north. This one goes north. 3, 2, 1.
Walk sign is on.
Neither of these have medium buttons. I don't care about the traffic laws at this point. I gave those road traffickers time to do what they need to do. This is actually kind of a low level for this.
Wait. Traveling east.
East.
Wait. Traveling south.
This one's correct. The one that Moore Loop only said south. This one says it.
Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on.
Okay, this one now.
Wait.
I swear, I don't want to wait.
Traveling east.
This is how worn out this one looks. The instructions on this one are slightly more worn out. The ones at the intersection at Moore Loop still appear to be brand new.
Wait. Traveling east.
3, 2, 1. Oh, you still gotta wait for the arrow one too, but there's nobody. 3, 2, 1.
Walk sign is on.
30-second countdown. Test this button real quick.
25. Wait. 24. 23. 22.
Yeah, you go. What's interesting about this button up here is it's hooked up to this metal support column.
Wait. Traveling south.
See? It's mounted by screws. But I think their original idea was to install it directly to the pole, but they instead put it on the support column holder.
Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on.
This one chose to automatically turn on.
Traveling west.
That's it. We'll end the video once we get back to where we were just standing. Thank you all for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed. This one's gonna go off too.
Wait. Walk sign is on.
That's it.